Welcome students. Now let us continue the sums from exercise 1.2. Okay. Now the seventh sum, they have given that the value of A equal to 1 by 2 and B equal to 2 by 3. They have given that A equal to 1 by 2 and B equal to 2 by 3. Now we have to find A plus B divided by A minus B. This is a question. Okay, so first they have given that the value of A is 1 by 2 and B equal to 2 by 3. Now we have to find A plus B divided by A minus B. Okay, so now let's find the answer. A plus B. Let us find A plus B first. Okay, so A plus B means we are going to add the value of A and B. Okay, so 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. So the value of A is 1 by 2 and the value of B is 2 by 3. So now the first bracket we have A plus B, isn't it? So now we have to add A and B. Okay, so A plus B equal to 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. Now as usual addition, these two are the rational numbers with different denominators. Okay, the denominators are 2 and 3. These two are the prime numbers. So to find the LCM, better we can multiply 2 and 3. Okay, so 2 3s are 6. Okay, so our record denominator is 6. 2 3s are 6. When we find the LCM, if the numbers are prime numbers means we can multiply the denominators. Okay, now you see the first one is 1 by 2. Here the denominator is 2, isn't it? How many 2s are 6? 3 2s are 6. So we have to multiply this rational number by 3, both numerator and denominator. Then only the value will not be changed. Okay. Now next 2 by 3. Here the denominator is 3. How many 3s are 6? 2 3s are 6. So we have to multiply this by 2. So 2 into 2 by 3 into 2. Now 1 3 is 3 by 2 3s are 6 plus 2 2s are 4 by 3 2s are 6. Now you see here the denominators are equal. So we can add the numerators. So we put equal to, we have to write the common denominator 6, then 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 by 6. So the value of A plus B is 7 by 6. Next we have to find A minus B. Okay, the second bracket, A minus B. So A minus B equal to, so the value of A is 1 by 2 and the value of B is 2 by 3. Here also we have to subtract. These two are the different denominators, but already we know 1 by 2 means directly we can write 3 by 6. Okay, so 3 by 6 and minus 2 by 3 means we can write 4 by 6. Okay, for our convenience, because the denominator should be equal, in the same sum we make the denominators equal one, isn't it? So again we no need to find. So we can directly write 3 by 6 minus 4 by 6, which is equal to, here we can put the common denominator 6. The numerators are 3 and 4, isn't it? So we can write 3 minus 4. Now you see here we have two numbers with a different sign. So we have to find the difference and we have to put the sign of a greater one. So the difference between 3 and 4 is 1. The difference means we have to subtract. Okay, so 4 minus 3 is 1. Here 4 is the greater one. So it has negative sign. So we have to put minus 1 by 6. So the value of A minus B is minus 1 by 6. Now we have the value of A plus B and A minus B. Isn't it? Now we can substitute the values. Now a plus b divided by a minus b, which is equal to, so a plus b equal to 7 by 6. So we can substitute now 7 by 6 divided by a minus b is minus 1 by 6. So now we are substituting minus 1 by 6 equal to, now already I said in division the first fraction we should not change anything, we have to write as it is. So 7 by 6. Now this division will be changed as multiplication. So when the sign changed as multiplication, we have to write the reciprocal of the next one. So the reciprocal of minus 1 by 6 is 6 by minus 1. So we can write minus 6 because in the denominator if we put 1 also the value is minus 6. So no need to put. Okay. Here if the numerator and denominator have the common divisors means we can cancel. Here it is very easy. The same numbers we have in numerator and in denominator. So we can cancel this 6 and this 6. So 1 6 is 6, 1 6 is 6. Now we have to multiply the values. Here 7 into minus 1. First we should multiply the symbol. Okay, otherwise we will forget to multiply the symbol. Okay, so plus into minus, minus. 7 ones are 7. So the value of a plus b divided by a minus b is equal to minus 7. Okay. Now shall we move to the second division? In the same type, the second sum they have given a equal to minus 3 by 5 and b equal to 2 by 15. We have to find the value of a plus b divided by a minus b. Okay. Now as usual, first we have to find the value which are in the bracket. Okay. So first we are going to find a plus b. So a plus b is equal to, here the value of a is minus 3 by 5 plus the value of b is 2 by 15. Here you see, here also we have two rational numbers with different denominators. So we have to make the denominators as equal. Here it is very easy because the first denominator is 5 and the second one is 15, isn't it? So it is very easy to make. So 5 3s are 15. We know, isn't it? So we can multiply this one by 3, both numerator and denominator. Okay. So if we find LCM also, we will get 15 only. So here minus 3 into 3 by 5 into 3. Then this plus. Here 2 by 15. So we no need to change anything. We no need to multiply by anything because here we have the denominator 15. Okay. Now which is equal to, here minus into plus, minus. 3 3s are 9. So 9 by 15. So minus 9 by 15 plus 2 by 15. Now you see the denominators are equal. Okay, so we can put the common denominator 15. Now we can simplify the numerators. Okay, minus 9 plus 2. Here we have two numbers with a different sign. So we have to subtract and put the sign of a greater number. Okay, so here 9 minus 2, 7. But here the greater one is 9. It has the negative sign. So we have to put minus 7 by 15. So the value of a plus b is minus 7 by 15. Next we have to find a minus b. Okay, so a minus b equal to, the value of a is minus 3 by 5 plus 2 by 15. So for minus 3 by 5, directly we can write minus 9 by 15. Okay, so minus 9 by 15 plus 2 by 15. Sorry, here minus, we have to subtract, isn't it? So we have to put minus. So now here we have the common denominator 15. Now we are going to subtract. Here the two numbers are in the same sign but in negative. Minus 9 minus 2. Okay, so in this type we have to add the numbers and put the sign of minus. If 9 plus 2 means 11 we will say, isn't it, because both are in the positive, but here both are in negative, so we should add and put the sign of minus. So 9 plus 2 11, but we have to put here minus 11 because minus 9 minus 2 by 15. Now we get the values of a plus b and a minus b. Now we have to substitute. Now a plus b divided by a minus b equal to. So the value of a plus b is minus 7 by 15. So minus 7 by 15 divided by a minus b is minus 11 by 15. So now we have to substitute minus 11 by 15, which is equal to. Here the first one we should write minus 7 by 15. Now we have to convert this into a multiplication. Okay, so when it convert as a multiplication, we have to write the reciprocal of the next fraction. Okay, so the next one is minus 11 by 15. Now the reciprocal of minus 11 by 15 is minus 15 by 11. Now here also it is very simple because the numerator and denominator has the same number, isn't it? So we can cancel. 115 is 15. Here also 115 is 15. Now this numerator and this denominator have no common divisors. So we can multiply the numerator first, then the denominator. Okay. Here minus into minus plus. 7 ones are 7. Here the denominator is 1 into 11. 1 11 is 11. So our answer is, which means a plus b divided by a minus b equal to 7 by 11. Okay, I hope you can understand. Okay, so shall we move to the next one? Yes, next sum is, okay students, the remaining sums we can see in the next class. Thank you.